In this video, I'm going to show you how to add captions to videos in Kapwing. So the first thing you want to do here inside Kapwing, you want to add in a video which has some audio so you can then generate these captions. As you can see here, I have one of my tutorial videos from my channel, and then you want to go ahead and go to subtitles over here on the left, and this is where you can actually add subtitles or captions. Now we have four different options. You can do auto subtitles, which will basically automatically generate subtitles for your video. You could upload a file with subtitles if you have it. You could go ahead and start from scratch, which will allow you to type out your subtitles, or you could dub the video, which basically will translate audio and subtitles, which is also quite convenient. So select the one you want. Of course, the easiest one and the most convenient is going to be this one, which will do auto subtitles. So I'm going to click on it. You'll have to select your original language, for which for me it's English. And then here, if you want to translate it, you can go ahead and do a translation, but if not, you can just leave it like this, which by default says no translation, use original language. You can then click on auto subtitle, and what that's going to do here, it's going to start generating subtitles, and this is usually very, very quick. Of course, it's going to depend on how long your video is. My video is pretty short over here. It's less than a minute, I think. Yeah, there we go, around 50 seconds. So it's going to pretty much do that very quickly, usually just within like half a minute or less. There we go. It was actually like not even 10 seconds. And as you can see, there's now the subtitles here on the left. If I just play over the video, they're on the screen as well. You could go ahead and edit them over here on the right hand side. And as you can see, you can select different preset styles. You could go ahead and change fonts, colors. You could do some drop shadows. You could do animations, whatever you want, literally here on the right. You could go ahead and even change them. So if you click on subtitles on the left, you'll be able to go ahead and change them. So let's say something isn't correct. Now, let's say there was a mistake in here. I can just go ahead and type it in, and it's going to automatically directly change on the screen as well, which is very convenient. And it's going to change it in these files down here, the yellow boxes, brackets as well. Okay, so make sure you review this and then that you change it to however you want it to look, and then you've gotten yourself your custom captions to your videos in Kapwing. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.